The history of Vestkorn started in 1855. It all began with a waterfall utilized to mill grain to flour. The very first buildings for milling are today a museum, and a water turbine is instead installed to produce environmentally friendly energy.
In this peaceful and scenic surroundings, it's strange to think that in 2050 we will be like 10 billion people on Earth.
Yes, and they all need food. It's a challenge to produce food for everyone, but I think it's more about producing sustainable food based on sustainable ingredients. World food production is currently the world's single largest driver of global environmental change.
By 2050, it is estimated that we need an extra 265 million tons of protein to meet the world demand. It is essential that we find novel protein sources because we need good quality protein that has been produced in a sustainable way. And this is a challenge, but it's also a rapidly growing demand from the market. And today, Vestkorn is the European leading producer of healthy, sustainable and non-GMO ingredients.
For more than 165 years, Vestkorn has developed in line with market trends and needs. Today, the mill houses innovative and sustainable processes, such as dry processing of legumes. Peas and faba beans are affordable sources to protein, highly nutritious and offers many health benefits. These proteins fit well into plant-based diets and are lower in calories and less saturated fat than various animal meat and dairy products. Vestkorn uses dry mechanical processing without the use of additives or chemical compounds, resulting in 100% natural ingredients to be used in food, pet food or the feed industry. The production process generates no wastewater, and the materials used to transport raw materials and final ingredients, such as paper, metal and wood, are all recycled. High quality, all natural and sustainable pea and faba protein concentrates form the basis of our textured proteins and also our mechanically modified pea starch. Thanks mainly to our dry processing method, Vestkorn's textured vegetable proteins has a small carbon footprint. No acids, bases or water are used to process our ingredients. The dry process gives us significant energy savings and less environmental impact compared to wet processing methods. Our raw materials are grown in Europe. Over time, this may help to reduce European consumption of soy and replace it with less allergenic, more eco-friendly alternatives. The extrusion process modified the molecular structure of our native plant-based proteins to create various textures desired. Vestkorn is the first company in Europe to have a fully integrated line for textured legumes. Our expertise bring you plant-based meat ingredients applications and also other novel food ingredients. Our ingredients are sustainable, natural and non-GMO for both human, pets and animals. Organic versions are available for almost all ingredients.
Welcome to our product development kitchen. It is important for us that the food industry know how to use our plant-based ingredients to create great and tasty dishes.
It smells great. What are the chefs making?
Today they are making veggie burgers and nuggets, and our lunch of course. You are invited to taste our chicken tikka burger later.
Great, I look forward to that. So I know you are quite concerned about food safety and security. How do you make this secure enough?
All our ingredients follow our quality assurance criteria, which is outlined in our internal control system. And all our employees have an understanding and commitment of what Vestkorn quality means in their day-to-day work. Vestkorn has become a highly certified company and are certified to internationally recognized standards. All our raw materials are purchased from our approved suppliers, which can guarantee that the raw material they deliver to us is in accordance with our specification. The product is non-GMO, it is free from salmonella, and it is in line with the EU regulations. Vestkorn's textured pea and faba bean proteins are tasty and nutritious ingredients and are suitable for imitating meat.
Delicious! If you had served this burger without telling it was plant-based, people would be thrilled.
The organic food segment is rapidly growing, and in Europe the industry is witnessing a demand for cleaner and more minimalistic food products. It is clearly reflected from the rising consumer awareness as they seek more animal-free, sustainable and healthier protein alternatives, and then especially the plant-based proteins.
With 10 years of experience within protein extraction processing and now also producing TVP, textured vegetable proteins, Vestkorn is the largest producer of its kind in Europe. We are going to be the preferred choice by offering the best and most innovative pea and fava protein solutions ever seen. Good for you and good for the planet.